Hiya, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a giant pizza cookie. So it's a really yummy thing to make. You can personalise it however you like. So to start off with, you're going to need to mix 125 grams of butter, 100 grams of light brown sugar and 125 grams of caster sugar. You just want to mix these all in a bowl until they're nice and combined. I like to mix it this way rather than just bung everything at once because I think it just mixes better. Then I'm going to add 1 egg and some vanilla extract or some vanilla flavouring. You don't need a lot, just like a little dash. And then I'm going to mix this in again. So you want to take your time, make sure there's no kind of lumps of bits that actually mix together. And then you want to mix in 225 grams of self-raising flour. But you don't want to put it all in once, at least half it, or do it in 3 batches. So just put some in and then mix it and add a bit more. It just makes it easier to mix it in rather than just dump it all in once. And just in case if it gets too dry, you don't have to put it all in. And this is the basic cookie dough mix. Then I'm going to add 200 grams of chocolate chips. So not exactly 200 grams went in this because some went in my mouth by mistake. Totally an accident. Didn't mean for it to happen. Don't know how it happened. So we mix this, and then this is basically going to be the base of your pizza. So you're going to want to cover a pizza tray with baking paper or greaseproof paper, whatever you want to call it. If you don't have a pizza tray, you want to use a large baking tray. So we're just going to plop this mixture on top, and then we're just going to flatten it out and spread it out. So the more you spread it out, the thinner the base will be. If you want a nice like chunky cookie, obviously don't spread it out as much, but as you're spreading it out, try and keep the edges nice and round so it actually kind of looks like a pizza when it's done. And then you're going to want to pop that in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius or gas mark 4. I think I did mine for about 20 minutes. It might have been slightly longer. If you do have a thicker one, it's going to take longer to do. Then you want to cover that in some melted chocolate once it's cooled. Because you're using melted chocolate, you don't have to wait for it to cool completely. But I waited until it was nice and cool, covered it in chocolate. I've done half white chocolate, half normal milk chocolate. You can do whatever you want, and this is literally where you can customise it. You can use any chocolate you want, any toppings you want. I went for like a pick and mix theme with my toppings. But yeah, so you can like personalise it if this is a gift for someone, their favourite sweets and stuff. So I just added, like I say, some like stuff from old sweet shops, that kind of thing, like with the white mice and the jazzles, and add some miniature smarties. And then you just leave that to cool down for the chocolate to harden. And then you can slice it up like a pizza, hand it out, eat it all yourself, it's up to you. And that's it. It's done, and have fun making your own. And if you do make one, send a picture because I'd love to see them. Thanks for watching. Bye.